Hello traders, welcome to Keep Common Trade. Okay, I have taken a short position around 300 rupees loss for now. Okay, I'll just explain the trade. Once the trade is completed, let's see how it performs. Okay, I'll keep you updated, guys. Thank you. For now, trade is going against me. Okay, anyway, so that is because HDFC Bank started giving a good move. Okay, and it's not a good sign for us if HDFC Bank starts moving because it's a heavy weighted stock in the Bank Nifty. Anyway, so I'm still confident that Bank Nifty will come down. Okay, I'll keep you updated, guys. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. Bank Nifty has come down. Okay, around 300 rupees profit now. Let's see, guys, how it performs. Okay, uh, let's see. HDFC Bank should fall in order to achieve our target. You can see this is the trend line for HDFC and it is clearly taking support near the trend line. Okay, around cost to cost is going now. Okay, and ICICI Bank should also fall. That is also really important for us. Anyway, guys, cost to cost is going. I'll keep you updated. Thank you. Welcome back, traders. Bank Nifty started falling. Okay, around 1300 rupees profit now. Let's see, guys. I will wait for another 50 points. Okay, but Bank Nifty is forming this lower wicks. This is not a good sign for us. That indicates a buying pressure. But anyway, let's see how it performs. Okay, I'll keep you updated, guys. Around 1100 rupees profit for now. Once the trade is completed, I'll explain the trade setup, guys. Thank you. Around 1700 rupees profit, 1800. I think it should fall more. And Bank Nifty is very volatile. You can see the spread difference between the spreads that indicates the volatility. Okay, it should fall more. I'm just waiting. This will be the support area and price may bounce from here. So it's always good idea to book before this level. Okay, it's going back. Okay, it recovered the complete fall. Okay, I'll update you guys. Thank you. Hello traders, price is continuously taking support in this zone and it's bouncing whenever it's coming here. So I'm planning to book the profit rather than waiting because there is immediate support here and the price may bounce from here. So in that case, we will definitely lose our profit whatever we earned so far. Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute and see how it performs. But looking at the Bank Nifty, I'm feeling it should go down. Okay, because you can see HDFC is making a lower VIX, so this indicates a buying pressure. See, it's going up. Okay, I'll keep you updated, guys. Thank you. Welcome back, traders. I booked around 1500 rupees profit. I'll explain the reason why did I book early. Uh, because Bank Nifty was continuously taking support in this area and it was trying to go up. Okay, if I had waited, definitely the target would have been achieved. Okay, but wait a minute, guys. Okay, welcome back, traders. This is the risk to reward setup, and I'll go to the order book. You can see the trade is completed in around 14 to 15 minutes, and this is my position around 1500 rupees profit booked. Risk to reward. If you come to risk to reward, this is 1 is to 1.2 setup. Actually, initially I was planning for this area for booking the profit, which is around 1 is to 2 setup. But what happened is price was here continuously taking support at this area. Okay, even though it was continuously rejecting from this trend line, it was taking support here and it tried to break this level here. What are the candle I'm highlighting? There it tried to break that trend line. So I thought it's a breakout and the chances of going back is high. and hence I booked early profits. Okay, that's okay, guys. Anyway, so we are not in loss. I mean, we made a green day. That's a good thing. Okay, but we should learn how to catch big moves. If I had waited for this level, I would have definitely achieved 1 is to 2 and you can see a fall. Even after doing a lot of technical analysis, we should also learn how to catch big moves. Okay, so we will learn eventually. Let's discuss about the setup, guys. Okay, so simple trendline breakdown: 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so here the trend line was broken and retest happened. I did not made entry here. Okay, I waited for further retest. Okay, if I go to order book, you can see around 10:41 I made my entry. This is 10:41 candle. This candle I entered here at the retest. Okay, this is a retest candle. See, one is trend line breakdown and the upper trend. This is like a confluence point. Upper trend line rejection is also there. This trend line rejection is also there. And a zone area, that is this resistance zone, okay, is also there. That is three confirmations. See, one is trend line breakdown, one is trend line breakdown, and the second point is upper trend line rejection. Okay, second confirmation. Third confirmation is like this resistance zone rejection. You can see it clearly rejected from this resistance zone. So hence I was confident in going short side. Okay. So that's it for the day, guys. Okay. And if I trade anything, I'll update you. Else, that's it for the day. Thank you.